Hello guys, welcome to our next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn what is user interface. Let's see what is user interface. As you see, the UI image is just similar to the printing of paper. Now, similarly, we are going to in Unity image. So, we are going to create our first UI. So, we have to switch on the hierarchy tab. Next, click on right mouse button, go to UI and select image. As you see, our image will appear. Now we are going to search our image. For searching our image, we press Alt button, then select this red transform and select this icon. Now our image is fully stretched. Now we give some color to the image. This one is looking good. Now we are going to save our image as an object. Now our game object will appear. Now we are going to save it. Now we are going to create our next object and name is anime. Now create another UI image. As you see, this time our image will not appear. So what will happen? So in this case, we go to canvas and give our sort order 1. As you see, our image will appear because our previous image sort order is 0. So that's why our image will appear on the front. Now we are going to extend this image with the help of straight tool. As you see, our image is extended. Now we are going to give some color. Now similarly we are going to duplicate it by Ctrl plus D. As you see, our image is duplicated. Now we are going to change the color. Now we are going to resize our image. Now we are going to assign this print. As you see, there is a file is available in my project tab. Now click on the image and assign this image to this image. As you see, my image will appear but not look good. So I going to this is transparency where this transparency is maximize and minimize. Now it looks something better. Now we can decide it with the help of effect. Now it looks great. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. For further information watch my next video.